Alright, do another one. One more?
Like what?
I don't know, figure it out.
Right.
One more.
Can't think of any.
Do some leg poses. Show some legs.
Got it?
Yeah.
Get him doing some. We gotta get you doing some too, just so I'm not the only idiot.
Jordan, what do you think of Peter's bodybuilding poses?
You even see him. Here, I need to get my underneath right here. What are you doing? Take my video.